Lesson 2, Knife Skills. You don't need a lot of fancy knives in the kitchen to cook. The two best knives to own are a chef's knife with an 8-inch blade and a paring knife with a 4-inch blade for smaller, delicate jobs. The other key is to always keep your knife sharp. A dull knife is more dangerous because you have to use more force to push it through food, which can cause accidents. A sharp knife can cleanly slide through food. Let's start by learning how to properly hold your knife. Pinch the blade between your thumb and index finger, just in front of the handle, a little bit like you're choking up on a baseball bat. Keep that index finger curled above the blade so you don't accidentally cut yourself. To grip, curl the rest of your fingers around the handle, holding firm but comfortably with your palm. Your middle finger should curl around the heel of the knife.